Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be setting up my catch-all, which is the dashboard layout happy planner. We're going to set it up for the last quarter of 2024, so October, November, December. I'm going to change out my discs. I did put together some old covers. I put a little label on here so I'll know which planner's in here. And then I just put it on plastic disc. I'm going to be pulling some months out of my catch-all to put in here because we're getting kind of thick and I know I'm not going to have enough room for everything that I want to do. So I went ahead, all of these items are available in my shop, pleasantlyplanned.com, but I went ahead and made some custom divider labels for myself. So I'm actually going to add 8 of these clear dashboards. Like I said, all of this stuff is available in my shop. We're going to add 8 clear dashboards. I've got my custom headers here. I have this new collection of fall 2024 dashboards. I'm going to show you what I plan on doing with those. And then I also have the fall 2024 covers. So I made myself this really pretty cover. We're going to use this on my planner. But let's go ahead and start by pulling things off of the discs. I'm not going to use this pink cover anymore. I actually really want to use the white cover that I got on my Work Plus Life Happy Planner for 2025, but I'm going to save that and not use it right now as bad as I want to. We're not going to use it right now. So I'm going to pull out the things I'm going to keep. So I want to keep my half sheets. I'm going to keep my cover pages. And then we're just, this is so loud. Sorry about that. We're going to pull off probably through June. So we'll have July, excuse me, through December. So these are actually going to go on these discs in here. I'm probably not going to do that on camera. And then these we're actually going to pull off and put them on my new cover. So let's go ahead and get my new cover. And these covers are perfect for fall. So if you purchase the covers, you get the front and the back. The insides of both covers are white and the covers are the same. So I thought gold discs would be perfect to go with this pretty fall cover. So we'll go ahead and put these on, and then we'll just start transferring things over from the silver discs onto the gold discs with the new cover. Look how pretty that is. I love that. So pretty. Okay. So we're going to keep my half sheets. These are some that I got from Happy Planner. They were marked down at one of their, I think the warehouse sale that they just recently had. So I went ahead and purchased some of those. Probably going to add some more of those to the planner. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll add some more of these. It is these, if you're interested. I don't know if they still have any or not, but I love having half sheets in the planner just to make little lists and notes and whatnot, and I like keeping them at the front of my planner. So add these, and then let's just keep going. So we're going to add July, oops, behind this. And I've done really well for 2024. I said at the beginning of the year that I was going to keep, just use one planner for the entire year, and I have done just that. So proud of myself for that. The only problem is we're getting towards the end of the year here, and I'm getting really thick on my my discs, and I don't like expander discs. I've mentioned before I've tried using expander discs, and I don't like them. So we're just going to minimize what we have on our disc by pulling out those extra months that have already passed. And then at the end of the year, I'll put everything back together. If I have to, I'll put it on expander discs just to keep it all intact in case I need to go back through it. I do keep my planners at the end of the year, just kind of almost like for memory keeping, but then if I ever need to reference anything from the previous year, I have that entire planner. So it works out really well for referencing. So, all right, so we have July through December. And then I'm going to take, I want to see which notes I want to take with me. All right, so I found a couple different sections that I'm going to keep in my planner. So let's see. All right, so for the new sections, I do have a home section, which I'm going to keep my lunch and my meal ideas in. And then we also have a shop section, which I'm going to keep my new releases inserts in. This is where I write all the hex codes for your matching boxes. And then we're also going to add some extra notes sheets. So let's go ahead and start at the back with notes. So I'm going to open up some new dividers here. I love clear dashboard dividers. I love the top tabs. That way, whenever I'm looking at my planner spread, I can see both sides of the page through the divider. That's why I always do clear, and that's why I sell the clear, because I love them. I know that the printed ones are really pretty, but they're not very functional. So clear is very functional to me. All right, I'm going to grab some more fill paper. And so this is fill paper that I purchased on Amazon. I got the really big pack of it. If you just search, I guess, Happy Planner lined paper or Happy Planner inserts, you should be able to find it on Amazon. Okay, let's see. We're going to do social media. I do have some social media inserts that I did not gather, but I'm going to have social media section. I'm probably just going to put a few sheets of fill paper. I like to just have a place where I can just kind of jot some notes and ideas as well. So I think that's what the purpose of this little section is going to be. Some social media ideas and plans. And then we're going to have releases. So this will be releases, which is going to be those little inserts that I showed you for the hex codes. These here. Okay, and then next we will have business. Business will be for financial things, what to order, just different little tidbits of information that I might need pertaining to business. That way I don't have a whole section of notes that I can't really sort through, that I don't know what's what. That way I'll have a certain section. And it looks like I ran out of the notes paper, so I need to grab some more. And I just need to find it. Let me see what I did with it. It's in one of these drawers somewhere. Y'all know how that is, don't you? I don't remember what I did with it. All right, let me see. Let me go look for it. Okay, I found it. So, I got business, releases, social media, and notes. And then we're going to go to home. Oh, no, I need ideas. So these will probably be general ideas just for whatever, not pertaining to business. Actually, I kind of feel like, yeah, let's do something different here. So we're going to take this business off. We're going to do ideas. So this will be ideas for releases, new products, whatnot. So we're going to put that one there. And then here, we're going to do business. So I need to open the second pack. All right, and then we're going to do this tab is going to be business. I love this. I love feeling super organized in my planner and having a section for each and everything, that basically sections that are in my brain that need to be brought out on paper. So then we're going to do a home section. So home. And this will be for like master to-do list, wish list, ideas for the home, things like that. So we'll put this here. There's always little fuzzies everywhere with being a pet owner. And these things are staticky. Okay, and then we're going to go to, I have 2 left, so then we're going to go to our weekly and our monthly. So this is my current weekly. And then we're going to go to the September monthly. And then we'll have it set up. And I want to show you what I'm going to do with the dashboards, my plan with my new dashboards. Okay, so let's see what we're doing here on thickness. So yeah, our thickness is pretty good. I could probably add some more notes sheets. So I think I'm going to add some more blank ones back here to the back. And then I can take them and just kind of distribute them however I need to. So we'll put this in the back. And I could have probably even left June. That way I had, well, I still have 6 months, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I only have, yeah, I have 6 months. So yeah, that's half of the year. So it's actually looking really good. And I suppose once I put stickers in all my spreads, it's gonna fill up anyway. So we'll leave it with extra room. So you see all my tabs here. Love all the tabs. It looks nice and clean. Got my pretty cover with my gold discs. Look how pretty this is. I even have room if I want to. I could put one of the covers on. And I'll tell you what, this cover is so pretty. I think this cover would look really good with, I think I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to go for it. So this cover looks really good with the new fall pink mug cover that I have. So yeah, I like using, if I can, the Happy Planner Deluxe snap-in covers just to protect my other covers, because they do tend to get worn out and scratched up over time. So look, I have just enough room, and look how nice and sleek this looks. I love how this looks. And then we have my pretty new cover there. Okay, so this is my journal. I can leave it without a cover. I don't need a cover on my journal. And if I want to, I can snap that pink one on there. All right, so we have my extra fill paper that I don't need now. I can just put it back in my drawer. I don't need my labels anymore. Oh, I meant to put this in my home section. So let's go to my home section and put my lunch and dinner ideas in there. And then let me show you what my plan is for my dashboards. So these dashboards are available in a cardstock linen textured, a linen textured cardstock, sorry, in the size of the classic size Happy Planner pages. The backs are white, or you can get these exact same designs in the covers. So we have, this one is what I used for my cover. We have this really pretty sweater. We have a sweater with pumpkins and a candle, which might be the one that I use. This is a gray sweater with a leaf. I think I'm going to use that one too. And then we have, actually, might use these two. This one is a mug, like on a little tray on a bed. And then this one is a window scene with a book. So I think I'm going to use October and November. So let's just put these off to the side. So what my plans are is to take these and glue them on my monthly divider. And then my monthly divider will be pretty and seasonal. And so I do plan on doing seasonal dashboards like these from now on. So in the next few weeks, probably the 1st of October, 1st to the middle of October, I will have the winter ones available. So you can decorate your planner however you'd like with the winter and the fall dashboards. This tape is like super stringy today. I don't know why it's doing that. I haven't used it in a while. Maybe it's mad at me for not using it. Yeah, it's like stringing. I don't know. Is it out? It's out. No, it's not out. That's weird. Anyways, so we're going to put this, that's the wrong one. We're going to attach this here. Now, I did round my corners. I just think it looks a lot neater with rounded corners. The Happy Planner covers aren't round, or dividers are not rounded. So we're going to just kind of trim these up a little bit to be rounded. So you kind of can't see them behind there. That's better. And look how pretty that divider is. It's just a lot prettier than the Happy Planner one. I'm going to put a long string of tape there on that divider. So that is really pretty for October. I love this. And then for November, we're going to do this one. And I love how it matches the gold tab. So yeah, let's do this one for November. This will also thicken my planner up some. I don't understand this tape runner. Maybe it's operator error. I don't know. Ugh. I don't ever put long strings of tape. I do little dashes, except right there at that tab. Yeah, I always do dashes because you'll find that these dashes are plenty to hold down whatever you're using your tape for, your tape runner. It's crooked. I want to make sure it's straight. Okay, so we'll pull this out and then we're going to just curve these. And look how pretty that is. I made my own monthly dividers. I love it. It looks so much prettier than the ones that are already in the planner. So we have October, nice and cozy looking, and November, nice and cozy looking. And then in my next collection, I'll have some for Christmas and New Year's, or winter, Christmas, and New Year's. So yeah, look how pretty this planner is. And look, I filled it right up. I love it. It feels so good in my hands. I love all my dividers. I love my cover. I love everything about all of this. So everything that I use in this video, minus the Happy Planner stuff, is available in my shop at pleasantlyplanned.com. Go grab yours before the season is over. I've mentioned before, I'm only doing seasonal items right now. So as soon as winter gets here, all the fall items will disappear. So yeah. And then they'll be gone. I don't know if I'll bring them back next year or what. Next year will speak for itself when it gets here. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you like seeing content like this, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free. It costs you nothing to subscribe. Follow me over on Instagram and stay tuned for the next video. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.